we are going to learn how to pull some information out of our drawing. Let's see what information we can find out about our lamp. The inquiry commands distance, radius, angle, and area are located on the Home tab and the Utilities panel. Notice there is a flyout where all the icons are located. The distance command quickly gives us a distance between 2 points. Let's select the distance command, and now with O snaps turned on, click the 2 endpoints of one of the diagonal lines inside the lampshade. The information we are looking for will show up at the command line. Notice the diagonal distance of 5, and the direction of the line is 127 degrees. The angle will depend on which order the points are picked. It also gives us the x and y distances as a delta x and delta y. The quick key for distance is di. Now see what some of the other distances are on the lamp. This command will give us the diameter and radius of a circle or arc. Since we do not have a circle on our lamp, let's quickly draw one. Type C and press enter, then select the midpoint of the lampshade. Then pick the endpoint to draw a circle. Now pick the command from the flyout on the Home tab and the Utilities panel. Then select the circle or arc and look at the command line for the results. My circle has a radius of 3 and a diameter of 6. The angle command measures an angle. Select the angle command from the flyout on the Home tab and the Utilities panel. Select the 2 lines that make up the angle and look at the command line for the results. The angle that I checked is 127 degrees.